And welcome to my Jeep WJ, another update for August. My Jeep update Sunday, I think it's the 13th, I'm not sure. Getting ready to go on another, probably about a 10-mile break-in drive with my co-pilot. That's a little Sugar, one of our beagles, and she wanted to go, so I'm taking her with me. Okay, on our way. Here we go. Coming out of the driveway. Last time I didn't land too well. I heard a lot of noise and I saw a flash, but it was okay. Here we go. And I'll get back with you a little later. Back at the front of our subdivision, getting ready to make a left on Celery Avenue when the traffic is clear. Here we go. We're headed down Celery Avenue towards that marina. Back with you later. Back up over the bridge. Going towards Osteen. Coming back up on the 415 bridge, overlooking St. John's and the marina there. We're going to go a few more miles. We're going to go down to SR 46, make a right, go down to Mellonville, come back in towards Celery Avenue that way, add a few more miles. Coming down 46, approaching Mellonville. And it's the old side of Sanford, beautiful. All these older houses, all these oak trees. Got some bikers up here. Oh, you got a lot of bikers out on Sunday. Uh-oh. Made a right here to avoid those bikers. Narrow road, people crowding you. I don't want to take a chance for hurting anybody or crowding them. Okay, coming out of an old subdivision that I rerouted through to get around those bikes, and we're making a right on Celery Avenue going to our subdivision. Harley went by and turning into our subdivision, headed to the house. My doggy is crowding me. Be home shortly. Okay, there it is. 3:42 for today, for now anyway. My Jeep update Sunday, August 13th. And today I'm just piddling around a little bit, and I decided to go ahead and change out that camshaft position sensor. I don't have any codes or lights on it, but it's been in there for a while. I don't know how long, how many miles, how many years, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. And I don't know if I'll be able to get to it this afternoon, but I do have a new crankshaft position sensor. That'd be a little tougher job, and plan on changing that out. I'll update with any progress out. Okay, my Jeep update. Okay, as you can see, I got this is standard connector here. You just have to depress that, and I put a screwdriver because it was pretty tight because it's been in there for so long. Put a flat head behind it and pushed it slightly, and it come loose, and I was able to pull it up with my hand. And then you got let me get this little, what's in the way. Okay, all right, now you got these two bolts here holding this sensor in, and they're 7/32. And let me see if that's going to come out. Maybe they're still in there. I'll finish. They ought to come on out. Okay, there it goes. They were still in there a little bit. But this is a pretty simple one compared to the crankshaft. Anyway, that's a My Jeep update. Out. I'm going to clean the connector and look over the connections and see and check my wiring too. I'll put a small piece of aluminum. Let's see, these wires on the connector were naked, exposed, so I'll put a piece of aluminum on it. Out for now. There's my Jeep. I forgot to videotape this, but I did put a small amount of this CRC grease, electrical grease, on the female part of the connector. I looked it up. It says it's okay to put a little grease on this connector. I know the O2 sensor you're not supposed to. That's what it said. Anyway, I did it. Out. Okay, the new camshaft position sensor is installed, and those two bolts there, just about all of the YouTube videos I saw, they stress do not over tighten, or you may crack the case there on that sensor. So just snug them up good, and now we're gonna try to start it and see what it does. It started fine earlier. Well, it started. It's running a little rough, but I think that might be due to having it disconnected. I've noticed for about a week now I didn't disconnect it, and the engine and everything was running much better. And I'm gonna let it run for a while. It started right up, and we'll see. You know, the TCM's got to get everything back in sync. Out.
So long. See you on the next update.